Happy November! I know it's been a second. I don't think I posted any videos this November. I've been a little busy working on set in Atlanta, which I'm making a video about. But if you can't tell from the title or the open makeup case, we're doing a makeup video today. I got my IPSY package like last week, I want to say. So I'm going to open it and we're going to do a fun, cute little IPSY makeup look today. Let's get into it. No longer will I struggle to pull it open. I will now be using scissors. Let's see what November looks like. Oh yeah, I love the block. Oh yes. It smells like nail polish. Oh, Context nail lacquer in the morning after. I was like, that's why it smells like nail polish. It's like a navy blue color. I can't really apply those on right now because I already got my nails done, you know? Next we have a lipstick, Dead Roses. Kind of perfect for fall, right? Then we have Lasting Smiles Vanilla Bean chapstick, which like I got a chapstick like the first time that I ordered IPSY packs, but like I don't do well with non-organic lip balms. I either like break out or I just have some kind of horrible reaction. And it says it's organic and I can pronounce all the ingredients in it, so maybe I'll try it because I do love vanilla, so maybe I'll try it. Then we also got, the name of the company is Item. I was like, why is it called Item? And it is a hydrating jelly eyeshadow. Oh, that is so exciting. What? This is interesting. Okay. And then lastly in the bag, I have Gold. I think it's a perfume. I'm not 100%. Oh, it's a perfume. I mean, I probably should have known from the spray bottle, right? It's by Commodity and it's called Gold. And it even tells you what the definition of gold is back here. A warm and lustrous, precious material to be desired, e.g. a heart of gold. I'm gonna spray some on just to see what it smells like some more. Oh, wow. Oh, it smells good. It's like kind of sweet. Oh, it smells so good. It reminds me of vanilla a little bit. Oh, I like it. That smells good. Oh man. Well, okay then. I got a lot of things that I don't normally get this month. Okay, so this is the little pamphlet they give you in every bag. And this month's little message is be present. #blessed. This month, take a moment to notice the beauty that surrounds you. When you focus on little things, the first swipe of a new lipstick, a DIY mani, video chatting with an old friend, you'll find you're rich in reasons to be thankful. And on the inside, they tell you all of the items that came in your bag. And of course, they give you a little more information about each one of them, just in case you didn't want to, you know, be like me, like, what is this? I don't really... They give you all the information here, as well as how much the full-size product would cost. And yeah, so let's put a makeup look together. So I have never used this lid glaze before, and it's blue. I don't know whether it's like really blue or if it's just the packaging. I think it's like gold. I'm gonna just put some on my eye and then we'll figure out what we're doing. Ooh. They said you can even put it like on your collarbone and stuff. Nice. Okay, cool. So let me think about like what I want to do with the makeup today. So following this new lid glaze, following its lead, I think we should do a glitter eye. It's November, right? So what if I did orange? Although I know when you think of November, you probably think of neutral brown. When I think of orange, I think of October, not November. But I think I'll just go with orange. And I've got an Orange You Glad from ColourPop. So I'll just go with orange because that's also kind of fall. And plus, I already did like a totally natural look for my last video. I'm like also just so not taking off the eyeshadow. I like that it's so lightweight too. I feel like whenever I put glitter on, it feels kind of heavy, but this is super light. I'm also going to try out this organic chapstick. They're kind of swearing by it. It says USA Organic on it. It has coconut oil, beeswax, sunflower oil, vanilla bean flavor, shea butter. I think I'll be okay. Usually I use Burt's Bees, but I guess let me try it out. It smells like vanilla. Wait, I'm like having like a scent memory, but I can't quite place my my nose on it, on the scent. Okay, I'll stop. I like to moisturize my lips before I put on any makeup, and that just helps me to not have chapped lips, basically. So whenever you see me start the video, I always have chapstick on, because I know I'll be doing makeup later on. And I mean, like, who likes chapped lips? Nobody. I always have to like just kind of really think, like, as soon as I'm done with my concealer on my wrist or on my hand, I have to wipe it away, because that's literally how I ruined my favorite shirt. One time I was standing and, you know, like, I rested my arm or my hand on my shirt and I didn't wipe away the makeup. Tragic. So let me just jump into contouring. I have been doing super light contouring just because I'm doing lots of natural makeup lately. So I'm just gonna continue doing that. Putting it a little bit higher than your natural cheekbone, just to raise it up a little bit. Then you blend up. Then I'm gonna add some highlight. Honestly, from my last IPSY bag, I've fallen in love with Gimme Brow by Benefit, but I'm running out of it because it's like the mini size and I have to buy like the full size. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to use it. This perfume still smells so good. Like, it's just light enough and like really warm for fall time, you know? So after that, I always put on just a little bit more shading with some eyeshadow, just so I can like clean up the parts the gel didn't get, you know? To blend that away with a blending sponge. Ta-da! So I'm going to be doing some primer first. I'm going to start with my lid glaze, and I'll show you if I can. It comes out gold. Like that. And we're just going to blend that all over our eye. It looks like a glitter bomb. And the cool thing is you can really just put this on your eye and not put any other color on it at all. We're gonna jump into the orange now. You probably can see that we have quite a few bright oranges here. I'm gonna try to go for a warmer orange. I'll start with Creamsicle. It's gonna go in the inner corner. Because I double layered on the left eye, it's like a glitter bomb over here. Some Rise and Grind in the center. And then we're gonna do the You Peel Me. Ooh. So now I'm going to take some of the Zested, and that's going to go on the inner corner. I'm going to try to clean up where I put my glitter, because I kind of don't want it to be there. I'm going to add some of that Rise and Grind under my eye. There's like the glitter at the top here that I kind of wish wasn't there a little bit. Let me see what I can do there. Okay, I'm gonna get a little blending brush. I'm just gonna like try to blend it out a little bit. Okay, so now we're gonna do some eyeliner, and I'll do a winged eyeliner. As for blush, I'm going to use my wire palette. I'm going to use Switch just to really drive home that orange color, in case we didn't know that orange was the color I'm doing today. I'm also going in with a little bit of Slowburn, just to kind of give me some different color in here. Some highlights. Now we're going to use my new lipstick. You know, this is like a kind of brown pink. I want like a brown. It just looks kind of purple, which is not what I want. I kind of want like a matte brown color. We're just trying a bunch of different lipsticks now. Okay, put the chapstick back on. I'll do Sin, which is more of a red color. I know what lipstick I need. There's a lipstick called Retro from MAC, and I have it. I'm wild. Okay, kind of running out, but my sister has one that's called Marrakesh. That's like kind of perfect. Let me dab on some of the Accident. I like this better. Okay, I literally have tried like 10 different lipsticks. I'm just gonna add a little bit of highlight. And this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button. And if you're interested in seeing any more videos like this one, or even some singing videos, subscribe and check out my videos. Thank you so much for joining me today. Happy Thanksgiving.